Are you thinking about making a move to Port St. Lucie, Florida? Imagine living in a brand new home without the restrictions of an HOA. More freedom, more flexibility, and more space you've been dreaming of. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your local real estate resource here on the Treasure Coast, and on this channel, I take you inside the newest communities, model homes, and hidden gems around Port St. Lucie so you can find the perfect place to call home. If you're relocating here, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new construction home tours. And when you're ready to make your move, all my contact info is right here. I'd love to help make Port St. Lucie your new home. So this home is going to give you just over 3,000 square feet under air between the main house and the guest house in the back. Walking up to the home now, you can see how the builder leaned into a more contemporary design, but went more understated with the exterior, a black standing seam metal roof, hurricane impact windows, double door entry, and lush landscaping. But on the interior, he went with more of an organic, modern Euro take with large format polished floors throughout the entire home and gourmet kitchen contrasting slab cabinetry with wood grain finishes. But what I absolutely love about this home is that the guest house has a full-size kitchen with the same design carried through and its own washer dryer, which I've never seen before in Port St. Lucie. Normally, if there's an in-law suite, you may find a kitchenette or at least space to put a microwave and a fridge, but a full kitchen, living room, bed and bath with its own private entrance around the side of the house is like a mother-daughter or two-family home. Whether you use it for multi-generational families, a private office for a home-based business, or even to rent it out, it could be perfect for an Airbnb since it's as close to Jensen Beach as you can get, just 12 minutes from the ocean without being in a flood zone. The entire home comes as a 4-bed, 4-bath with an office and a huge covered lanai. All of the closets have custom built-in storage. The bathrooms are very contemporary with black accents, frameless showers, and linear drains. The guest bathroom actually has 2 rain heads and 2 more shower heads for that spa-like feel. And this particular property sits on roughly a half-acre lot. Another thing to consider, especially if you're not too familiar with the Port St. Lucie area, is that this home is built with no HOA, which is commonly referred to as scattered lots. You're not in a community, but you also don't have any HOA fees, rules, or restrictions, and you have more space away from your neighbor, especially with this property. Having helped over 100 families build their homes with so many different builders in South Florida, my experience is in the differences and nuances of everyone. For example, the standard size lot in Port St. Lucie is 80 feet wide by 125 feet deep, but this property is nearly double the size in depth alone, which makes a pool even easier to build, or if you have toys like a boat, jet ski, 4-wheelers, or an RV, or you run a business where you need your truck or trailer at home, that makes a world of a difference. Thinking about making a move to Port St. Lucie, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or even to get more home for your money if you're moving up from Miami or Broward, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour here in Port St. Lucie. If you're looking for a brand new home with no HOA, you've seen how many amazing options are out there. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. I'd love to guide you through the process of finding your perfect home here on the Treasure Coast. And don't forget, I post new construction tours and local updates every single week. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.